you, Raja, for your perfect summary presentation of our document. I do share also John's suggestion and indications. I would like to share my screen, if possible, just to deliver some additional message on the scenarios that we are going to uh, tackle in the near future in this field of healthcare for artificial intelligence application. Uh, basically, sorry. Uh, basically, what we need to have very clear is that medicine is an area which is very historically empirical. So for millennials, what we had is an intuition medicine on the table, so based just on symptom analysis and also possible overlapping of understanding the difference between symptom and pathologies. And only in the 19th century, we started getting data, analogical data by measurement systems. So we had the start of interaction-based medicine in the clinical school in Paris, where Raja is based. We have this ambitious approach of interaction with the patient using technological tools. And this started to generate the possibility to use data for monitoring patient status in a more objective way, providing evidence. So evidence-based medicine is the baseline of where the medicine is now evolving from. The empirical evidence of clinical procedures, pattern-based analysis are used and shared with systematic reviews to understand, with a lot of data analytics, to understand how much effective a procedure, a treatment could be. But we are not yet in a situation of very precise approach. Precision medicine is not the current situation. We have situations where we should aim to a much more personalized towards precision medicine, because this is a recent evidence of how much even very important pharma could have a very limited effectiveness when shared with the population with respect to clinical trials. Let's hope vaccines for COVID will do better. But for sure, we are in the perspective of artificial intelligence as the enabling technologies for precision medicine with an algorithm-based approach, a rule-based approach, which is also giving the possibility to avoid physicians, healthcare professionals, to avoid to have too much pressure in using all this data. So this scenario, I believe, is very, very nice and very, very very, very stimulant and challenging, because precision-based would be also integrating, of course, intuitive medicine, empirical medicine, but it should be more and more rule-based by the use of emerging artificial intelligence or other integrated technologies, and this could enable also a different distribution of healthcare services as we envisage it in the document. We are moving from a general hospital system to a more and more decentralized medicine as envisaged from some pioneers of innovators of innovation in healthcare sector. So this is the scenario. So AI, artificial intelligence technology, is enabling both information technologies, Internet of Things, communication technologies, and software and physical robotic systems, physical technologies, to move from electronic health to mobile health and automated health. And the use and governing artificial intelligence to move towards this scenario is a key challenge, a key feature that we do hope our document could contribute to deal with in the proper way, both in the healthcare sector from the hospital perspective, but also for companies, industries, and all the public administrations governing innovation in the healthcare sector. I stop here. Maybe we can go into detail on some case study in the further discussion. Please, Roger.
Thank you, Eugenio. I mean, this raises a lot of issues, indeed, what you have just summarized, and specifically empowering patients and how much the space of healthcare actually is more and more moving to a patient agency. And in the past, patients were completely out of this agency. I mean, they were. I mean, the word patient by itself. You have the agent and the patient. So maybe a new word should be also devised for this. But we'll get back to that during the discussion. I would like to turn to Danny. Hello, Danny. Any observations on your side?